हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जीके एडुजोन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लेकर आए हैं 50 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स ऑन करंट अफेयर्स 2020। Which is the first state for which the government has launched the online Nishta program? Andhra Pradesh. Which two union territories marched in 2020? Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Who has been selected for National Award to Teachers 2020 from Assam? Gautam Dev Sharma. What will be the minimum degree of qualification for teachers by 2030? 4 years integrated B.Ed degree. E-learning portal lead launched by which government? Delhi government. Which state has launched Fast Bell initiative for online classes in the school? Kerala. Who has launched a new application named Shudder to help people maintain distance? Google. Which is the first state to declare internet as fundamental right? Kerala. Name the India's first woman Rafale fighter pilot. Shivangi Singh. Over which river India's longest river ropeway is inaugurated? Over Brahmaputra river. What is the position of India in World Happiness Report 2020? 144th. What is the new name of Railway Protection Force? Indian Railway Protection Force Service. After how many years India gets the chairmanship of International Labour Organization governing body? After 35 years. Who has been elected as the chairperson of the governing body of ILO? Apurva Chandra. Which country launched the no mask, no service policy to fight COVID-19? Bangladesh. Which state becomes the first state to disburse highest number of loans under PM Swanidhi scheme? Uttar Pradesh. Which state government has launched Mission Shakti for women's safety? Uttar Pradesh. Where ICC T20 Women's World Cup 2020 was held? In Australia. India has been ranked at which position in Global Hunger Index 2020? 94th position. Which state government has launched Arundhati Sharna Yojana? Assam government. In which northeastern state war memorial built by Assam Rifles? In Nagaland. Of which date of the year 2020 Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh has celebrated the Statehood Day? On 20 February. Which wildlife sanctuary of Assam is to be upgraded into a national park? Dihing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary. In which state India's first ever multimodal logistic park is to be set up? In Assam. Which state tops India's literacy rate chart in 2020? Kerala. What is the rank of Assam in terms of literacy rate in the country? Fifth. Which state ranked first in the country for overall implementation of Poshan Abhijan? Andhra Pradesh. Who is honored with Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Award for Politics in 2020? Sarvananda Shanwal. Which state government has launched new medicine delivery scheme called Dhanvantri? Assam. Which state government has launched Arunodaya scheme to provide financial assistance? Assam. Which city creates record as India's cleanest city for the fourth time in a row? Indore. Which state government has launched Major Dhyan Chand Vijayvat Yojana? Uttar Pradesh. Which country is planning to host BRICS Games 2021? India. In which state Khelo India Youth Games 2021 will be organized? In Haryana. In which city third edition of Khelo India Youth Games 2020 was held? In Guwahati. In which state 51st International Film Festival of India will be held? In Goa. Which country will host Cricket World Cup 2023? India. The first batch of 5 Rafale fighter jets from France landed at which airbase of India? Ambala. What is the name of the first ever marine ambulance which has been launched by Kerala government? Pratiksha. India's first International Women Trade Center is going to be set up in which state? In Kerala. In which country IPL 2020 is being held? United Arab Emirates. Who is the sponsor of IPL 2020? Dream 11. In which state India's first university for transgender community will be opened? In Uttar Pradesh. Which state won the first prize in the Republic Day Parade 2020? Assam. Which is the first state to impose full curfew in the entire state due to COVID-19? Punjab. Which place is declared as the summer capital of Uttarakhand? Garson. Janata Curfew was held on March 22, 2020. Which country will host ICC T20 World Cup 2021? India. How many states and union territories are there in India? 28 states and 8 union territories. How many districts are there in Assam? 33 districts. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।